The next topic we are going to learn is les courses, the shopping. So we are going to learn the words that will be used, the words and phrases that will be used in this case, and you are also going to learn the names of some fruits and vegetables. So shall we begin? So here are a few phrases. These phrases denote the quantity. So the first one is 2 kilo de pomme. Pomme is apples. Deux kilos de pomme. Then une bottle de vin. So this is how you would indicate the quantity, la quantity. 2 kilos de pomme, 2 kilos or 3 kilos. So when you want to indicate the quantity of apples, you say in kilos. The next one, une bottle de vin. The next one is 1 litre d'huile. So this is oil. A liter of oil. So the quantity of oil is given in liters. 1 litre d'huile. The next one, un paquet de sucre. Un paquet de sucre. A packet of sugar. Next one, un sachet de thé. So a sachet of tea. Une tranche de jambon. Une tranche de jambon. Jambon means ham. Then un morceau de fromage. So fromage is cheese. So this is one thing that you will often use in French because the French people love cheese. There are so many varieties of cheese in France. So fromage is one word you should never forget. So once again, say it along with me. These are the phrases indicating quantity. 2 kilos de pomme, une bottle de vin, 1 litre d'huile, un paquet de sucre, un sachet de thé, une tranche de jambon, un morceau de fromage. So these are some of the phrases that you need to remember. So we know how to indicate quantity now. How will you ask for the price? Demande le prix. So this is another important topic in les courses. So while shopping, one important thing is knowing how to ask for the price. So I already told you there are different ways. So one way is la prix s'il vous plaît. The price please. So this is one way. Combien ça coûte? How much this costs? So this is another way of asking the price. Le prix s'il vous plaît. The price please. Combien ça coûte? So how much this costs? So there are other ways as well. So if you know how to ask for the price and if you know how to denote the quantity, that is how much of that particular object you need. So half of it is completed, les courses, the shopping. So when you go shopping, first you need to ask for the price, then you need to ask for the correct quantity. For example, when you are asking for apples, you say in kilos. But when you are buying oil, you say in liters. So, demander le prix, asking for the price, and denoting la quantité. Then you have to know the names of the objects you want to buy. So now you are going to learn some of the fruits and vegetables. So you may know the names of certain fruits and vegetables. So I will teach you some more names. So it will be useful when you do the shopping. Since you know to ask for the price and the quantity, the only thing left is the object.